We start off today's video with this gorgeous mullet. I love the pops of red that she has mixed in with the black. So chic and stylish. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be taking a look at some more haircut options and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of doing something different with your hair and you're in need of some major inspiration, this channel is for you. So here we have a beautiful bob haircut. Now this bob is of the longer variety and ends just below her shoulders. And then we have a hair transformation by Philip Wolf. So he is going to be adding in some bangs to the front of this style. And she does have a gorgeous natural texture to her hair. Beautiful natural curly texture. And bam, he ended up doing like this really cute shaggy pixie style. And then we see another big chop transformation. I love her red hair color. Well, it looks like she might be getting more of like a mullet. Oh, so cute. I love the color mixed with the cut. Such a fun chic style. And then we do have Alfredo Lewis and Philip Wolf doing another haircut transformation. This one is going to feature some color. So he does cut the hair shorter and giving more of like a pixie shape. And this one features nice long bangs going there in the front. Spiky texture in the back. Oh, this is so cute. Very like rocker chic vibes with the way they did the cutting and the choppiness. I love it. She loves it. I love it. Everybody's happy. So then we see someone with really long tailbone length hair. Looks like she decided to switch it up to a shoulder length bob cut. Followed by another long to short transformation. Gorgeous mid-length cut. I love her hair color. It's like a really soft sombre. Base framing highlights. Gorgeous. And then we once again see someone with really long hair. Oh, wow. So she got a pixie and she went gray. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with purple hair. And the stylist cuts the hair into a nice little pixie cut. Gorgeous transformation. And purple is such a bold color, but I actually think this looks really nice on her. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all the haircut options and ideas that you can play around with this season. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.